my dear children. How are you? Hope you are fine there. So today we are going to start the first lesson in EVS. Okay, so that is our wonderful body. So we are going to learn about ourselves, our body itself. Okay, now first we will revise what we learned in first standard. Yes, so you can see a beautiful picture here. So please say along with me. I am going to say the body parts here. Okay, yes, the first one is head. H-E-A-D. Please say along with me, head. Okay, now please show your head. Yes, good. Okay, now the next one is eyes. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. We are having two eyes. So please show your eyes. Yes, good. Now ears. We are having two ears. Two ears we are having. Okay, you have to show your also. Okay, good. Now next one is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, please show your nose. Good. Now next one is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Yes, I can see your mouth there. Very good. Now next one is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Okay. Now next, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Hand. H-A-N-D. So please show your hands. How many fingers do you have? Yes, good. You are having 10 fingers and 2 hands also. Okay. Now chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Okay. The next one is elbow. Please show your elbow. Yes, elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Now arm. Okay, please show your arm. Good. Stomach. Now you have learned many body parts like knee, leg, toes, foot. Okay, so I have just revised what you learned in first standard. Again I am telling head, eyes, ear, nose, mouth, neck, chest, elbow, arm, stomach, finger, hand, knee, foot, leg and toes. So these are body parts that are present outside our body and you can see it very easily, isn't it? If you look at a mirror, you can see all the body parts. Okay, so it's very easy to learn also. You can see your body parts also. Now in second standard, we are going to learn about something that is inside our body. Here you can see a picture. There are many things that are in our body. Okay, so first we learned what is there outside our body. Now we are going to learn something that is in our body and that whole thing controls the work of our body. And these body parts work together as a machine, like a machine, like any machine, like a bicycle or a TV or anything. So all the bodies, each and every parts, it work together like a machine. And our body is also called living machine. Okay, so these are not the body parts. It's not only the body parts. There are some things that are inside our body and it controls and coordinates all the functions of our body. Okay, so we are going to start learn what is inside our body. Good? Is it okay for you? Shall we start now? Yes. Okay. Now comes the first thing. Okay, all of you have to say along with me, please. Yes, all of you please stand up and say along with me. So we will start with brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. You can see brain here. Now when we go down, we can see 2 lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Now in the middle you can see a very small thing, a very cute little one, red in color and it's just having the size of our wrist. Okay, just fold your wrist. Yes, so this is of the just size of your wrist. Now the name is heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Yes. Now comes the next one, that is stomach. Yes, that you have learned it before. But just see how it looks. It is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Okay. Now we have to learn about two friends that always work together. Okay, that is bones and muscles. Bones and muscles always are very good friends and work together. Bone, B-O-N-E-S, bones. The next one is muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Now I am going to show you the brain. Okay. Now see here how it looks. It's very nice, no? Yes, it is present inside our strong head. But this brain is not that much strong. It's very soft. It's a very soft body organ. It is present inside our head. But it is the leader of the whole body. It is the leader of the whole body. Do you know why? Because it controls and coordinates all the works in our body. If I want to just raise my hand, my brain has to give me order, yes, raise your hands. Okay, so now you are listening to me. I am talking, you are listening to me, you are understanding what I am telling. That is because of your brain. The brain looks very cute, but it's very strong. This controls all the activities, even our feelings also. When you cry, when you smile, when you hear, when you feel, everything, it's controlled by our brain. It controls all other activities also. Activities of the heart, lungs, stomach, bones, etc. And do you know one more thing? Even if you are sleeping, all these body organs inside our body works. Except bones and muscles because you are laying down. But all other activities are going on. Still, it maintains our body live. Okay, the brain is the leader of our body. It controls and coordinates all the activities here. Now, the next one is, when you come down, you can see two lungs here. Now, you can see the lungs here. Now, please take a deep breath. All of you take a deep breath. You can feel something is filling inside, isn't it? Okay, something is filling inside your chest. And that is this lungs. So, when you take a deep breath, the air fills inside these two lungs like a balloon. And from there, the oxygen enters our blood. And in return, our body gives out carbon dioxide, which we don't need. Okay. It goes again through this pipe only, and it goes through your mouth and it goes out when you breathe out. So, these lungs help us to breathe. So, when we are breathing in, the air enters through this windpipe and fills into these two lungs. And from there, in return, it takes carbon dioxide and it goes out when you breathe out. So, please breathe in, all of you. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So, the lungs help us to breathe. Yes. Now comes the very beautiful, the heart. It is there in between two lungs. Yes, see here, the heart. It always pumps blood. Okay, it always works. Even if you are sleeping, always pumps blood to whole body parts. Do you know why? Why do we need blood? Because the blood takes oxygen and the food from the stomach to all the body parts. From that only we are getting energy. Okay, so the heart pumps blood to whole body parts. Now, have you ever thought what happens to the food that we eat? No, we had very tasty food, then we don't know what happening to it. So, the food enters from the mouth and it goes to the food pipe and reaches our stomach here. It's very small. It's not that much big. It's a very small one. And from there, what happens? The stomach is just like a mixer grinder. The food gets mixed up with all juices present inside the stomach, and from there it mixes and it becomes a very light juice, and from there it goes to all the body parts to give us energy. Okay, from the stomach, the blood takes it out and goes to all the body parts and gives us energy there. Now, I told you you are having two friends. Yes, that is this bones and muscles always work together, and the bones and muscles help us to maintain our body posture, body structure, everything. It also helps us to move. We are moving, we are running, we are walking, whatever things we are doing. Even if your hands, you are shaking your hands, everything the bones are doing. Bones along with the muscles also. So, everything is controlled by the brain. So, these are the most important. There are many other body parts, but these are the most important body parts in our body, and we cannot see it. Okay, it is inside our body, so we cannot see it. I am again repeating, brain help us to think, lungs help us to breathe, heart pumps blood to all body parts, stomach digests the food we eat, and bones and muscle help us to move. So, one more thing is that you have to maintain a very good body posture. Posture means what? It means it's the position in which we sit, stand or walk. Okay, so we have to maintain a good posture, and we have to eat lots and lots of food also, so that these body organs can work very quietly, very neatly, very healthily also. Okay, so you have to eat more and more food, then only our body will stay healthy. So again, I am repeating, these are some body parts that is present inside our body, and it controls and coordinates all the work of our body like a machine. Together it works. So these are the parts: brain, lungs, heart, stomach, bones and muscles. Now you have to write these words, and you have to write the spelling also. For that, write these words 5 times in your notebook, and you have to paste a picture also like this one. Okay, like the pictures of body organs inside our body. This is brain. You can see bones and muscles. Now here you can see the stomach. Now lungs and heart. So if you don't get the picture, no problem, but you have to write the name of these body parts in your notebook and learn the spelling. So till next class we will be learning more about our body. Okay, till then, goodbye.